Zillow versus UD, which is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which real estate platform is better among Zillow and UD. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Zillow. Zillow offers a vast database of property listings across the US, features an intuitive and easy to use website and app, provides detailed information on property history, market trends, and neighborhood data, includes a proprietary tool for estimating home values called Zestimate, allows for easy exploration of buying and selling options directly through Zillow offers. While some users find the Zestimate tool to be inaccurate, heavy advertising presence can detract from user experience, provides less detailed information on real estate agents compared to some competitors. Now, let's come towards UD. UD specializes in urban development projects, offering detailed information on city planning and development, provides insights from industry experts, including market trends and analysis, connects users with a network of professionals in the urban development field, offers extensive educational resources on urban planning and development, provides comprehensive research reports and publications on urban development topics, primarily focused on urban development, not general real estate listings. Fewer property listings compared to platforms like Zillow. More suitable for industry professionals than general consumers. Choosing between Zillow and UD in 2024 depends on your specific real estate needs. Zillow excels with its extensive property listings, user-friendly interface, and integrated services. UD is ideal for those interested in urban development and industry insights. Consider your focus on property listings versus urban development expertise to determine which platform aligns best with your real estate goals. That's all for this video.